everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making something irresistibly delicious, Buttery Sourdough Discard Crescent Rolls. This is a great way to use up the sourdough discard while making something soft, flaky, and buttery. So let's get started. So the ingredients is flour, discard, then we will need some water, preferably warmer, some milk as well, a little bit warmer, some active dry yeast, salt, butter, and an egg. And as always, I will have a full recipe linked down in the description box for you, so that way you don't have to worry about the amounts on the video. First, we're going to activate our yeast. In your mixing bowl, I am using the mixing bowl of my stand mixer. I will add 2 tablespoons of warm water and 1 teaspoon of baker's yeast. I am not going to be adding any sugar, as I see you don't really need it. Give it a quick mix and let it sit for about 5 minutes until it blooms. You'll know it's ready when it gets all frothy. Now add 1/4 cup of warm milk, 1/4 cup of softened unsalted butter, 1 egg, 1/4 cup of sourdough discard, and 2/3 of a cup of flour, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix everything together until the dough becomes smooth and pulls away from the sides of the bowl. Knead it for about 5 to 10 minutes. This dough should not be too sticky. And as you can see, I'm doing all of my kneading in my stand mixer. Once your dough is nice and smooth, transfer it into a grease bowl, cover it and let it rest until it doubled in size. This usually takes about 45 minutes to 1 hour. After your dough has proofed, lightly flour your surface and roll the dough into 12-inch circles. Using a pizza cutter, slice the dough into 12 triangles, just like a pizza. Take each triangle and roll it from the widest end to the narrowest, forming a nice crescent shape. The tighter you roll, the more uniform they'll look. Place them on a lined baking sheet. I am using my pizza stone. Preheat your oven to 400 and let the rolls rest again until they become puffy and soft to the touch. Bake for 9 to 10 minutes until they turn a beautiful golden brown. Once they're out of the oven, brush the tops with melted salted butter for the extra flavor. And there you have it, Buttery Sourdough Discard Rolls. These rolls are perfect for any meal or even as a snack. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more delicious recipe. I'll see you all in my next video.